Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 quick and easy Valentine's Day gift for a friend or even a sister. We're going to start off with the zipper pouch. Don't forget a small canvas, fabric paint, Sharpie, paint, and a paintbrush, and you'll need freezer paper. Cut the freezer paper just a little bit bigger than the pouch to make sure you have enough. We're going to fold the paper in half using a pencil. Draw out half of a heart. You will then cut up the heart and you'll end up with a perfect heart shape. Cut off the excess paper. Now make sure you have the shiny side down. Grab your iron and iron it down. Now, before you paint, make sure you have something on the inside of the pouch to prevent the paint from leaking to the other side. Now set it aside to dry. Let's do a quick art on the canvas. I'm going to use Scotch tape to make sure I have straight lines. Using a thin Sharpie pen, I'm going to write "I love you" over and over. Peel off the tape and use it to cover up the words. Now you can use a paint pen, but I decided to use acrylic paint to paint over the white of the canvas. Now put it aside to dry. After a while, your canvas heart should be dry enough to remove the freezer paper. Now that the canvas is dry, let's remove the tape. The paint bled a little, but I like how it looks like ripped paper. To give it a little something extra, I'm painting gold glitter over the black stripes. Let's fill the pouch with some goodies that I found at Target. Now let's get this tumbler ready to give as well. I got this at Walmart for a little over $3. Fill it up with tinsel or tissue paper. Throw some chocolate in it, and it's done. hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.